Signs are now pointing to a big XRP rally, but how much of that is real and how much is pure speculation? Can XRP reach an all-time high in 2024? So, should you buy XRP while it's still down? All these and more will I be answering in today's video. Stick with me till the end to find out more. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced today at the end of the video. After a tumultuous past 3 years, in which XRP has been embroiled in an epic legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the smoke finally appears to be clearing. After a major legal victory this summer, XRP now trades at 50 cents, up 47% for the year. If you're a glass-half-full investor, signs pointing to a final conclusion to the SEC legal battle could be a reason to load up on XRP before the crypto explodes in value. If you're a glass-half-empty investor, though, the enormous regulatory risk still hanging over XRP could be a clear warning signal to stay clear. So which is it? Let's take a closer look. Does the regulatory battle look over for XRP? In many ways, the regulatory battle over XRP is a defining one for the crypto industry. At the heart of the case is a single issue: whether or not XRP is a security. If the SEC loses this case and has to admit that XRP is not a security, it could badly weaken its position in its overall crackdown on the crypto industry, which now includes a lawsuit against cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase Global and pending enforcement actions against other cryptos it believes to be securities. All of which leads me to think that we're not going to see a settlement in this case anytime soon. The SEC has already attempted to appeal the court's ruling from earlier this summer. While this appeal was eventually denied, the current outlook is for another round of legal proceedings to begin in April 2024. Where they go from there is really anyone's guess. Some think the case could wind up by late 2024, while others think that it might drag on until 2027. Meanwhile, Ripple, the company behind the XRP crypto token, continues to hemorrhage cash. Hiring high-end lawyers to battle the SEC is not cheap, and Ripple admits that it could end up spending as much as $200 million fighting this case to the long, bitter end. Can Ripple really afford to spend hundreds of millions on legal fees, disrupt its operations for years, and suspend expansion in the key U.S. market while it waits patiently for a resolution to this case? Well, while this might sound like a negative appraisal of the situation, the market seems to agree. In July, when it looked like XRP was going to win its case against the SEC, the crypto token nearly doubled in value overnight, almost hitting the $1 mark. But since then, XRP has given up nearly all of its gains, as investors realize there might still be a lengthy legal process to come. Against this legal and regulatory backdrop, the fact remains that XRP still holds enormous upside potential from a technological perspective. XRP is the governance token of the Ripple payment network, which enables cheap, nearly instantaneous cross-border payments. Before the SEC court case started in December 2020, this payment network was largely considered to be best in class. Most notably, Ripple can be used for cross-border remittances. That explains why financial services giants such as Western Union and MoneyGram International have partnered with Ripple in the past. And, given the globalization of the world's financial markets, the Ripple payment network might be adapted for a wide range of other activities. Some have suggested that Ripple might be used as the framework for a cross-border payment network for the BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa nations. Others have suggested that it might be used for the development of central bank digital currencies. This is all very exciting if you're looking for future long-term growth from XRP. And there could be even more good news on the way. The latest rumor is that Ripple might be planning an IPO. The funds from the IPO could then be used to finance the further expansion of Ripple, opening up further utility for XRP. Now to the big question of the day: can XRP reach its all-time high 2024? Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. A recent claim shows that XRP's price is projected to increase by 100,000% by 2024. Comparing XRP's potential growth to BTC's historical growth, a 10x or 20x increase is more plausible for XRP. In the ever-volatile world of crypto, bold claims and price predictions have become commonplace. Amid this landscape, a recent post on X shows that XRP's price would skyrocket by an astonishing 100,000% by 2024. According to the post, which is from a conversation with ChatGPT, an AI chatbot, XRP, along with Bitcoin and Ethereum, would be among the top 5 cryptocurrencies guaranteed to see a 100,000% increase by 2024. Meanwhile, a market analyst emphasized the need for realistic expectations. He pointed out that while XRP is a substantial token with a market cap of $25 billion in general. To put things in perspective, the video references Bitcoin's historical growth, from being valued at just 6 cents to reaching a market cap of $500 billion, ultimately becoming the giant it is today. Although Bitcoin's value subsequently surged to significant levels, the YouTuber emphasized that Bitcoin's circumstances were different at the time of its inception. Comparing XRP's potential, the video claims that a 10x or 20x increase is plausible. Nonetheless, the YouTuber suggested that XRP may see significant gains over the long term, possibly reaching $50 per coin in the next decade, but not the astronomical values many hope for. XRP's recent performance in the cryptocurrency market has been bearish, with the price falling below key moving averages. This decline is influenced by the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC, creating uncertainty. Market experts suggest that XRP's price decline is part of a typical market cycle where Bitcoin's dominance overshadows altcoins. Currently, all of the 3 coins mentioned recorded a loss in the last 24 hours. CoinMarketCap data shows that XRP is currently trading at 47 cents, representing a 1.89% drop, while BTC hovers at $26,760, close to its 24-hour low of $26,561. Ethereum's ETH also suffered a 1.79% decline, settling at $1,550. Even with its recent gains this year, XRP is still trading at 87% below its all-time high of $3.84. Thus, XRP is still very much a speculative investment, with the very real possibility that it could go to zero if it ends up losing its case against the SEC. If you're thinking of buying XRP, you need to be very aware of the risks involved. I can't think of any other crypto that is facing so much regulatory risk. That being said, if you have a rainy day fund and are fully prepared to lose 100% of your investment, then it might be profitable to get in now while XRP is still trading at around 50 cents. After all, the XRP bulls are convinced that the crypto is headed to $3 and beyond. Until more details are known about what's happening next in the SEC case, though, I'm adopting a wait-and-see approach with XRP. What do other analysts predict for XRP? Many XRP supporters are massively bullish on the crypto, saying it is one of the coins with the highest potential. I have summarized some analyst and media price predictions below for a more clear view of where XRP could be headed. Crypto trader Captain Fibik predicted XRP could reach $1.40. The analysis showed the price is compressing and predicted a move to the upside will occur by the end of 2023. YouTube analyst Zach Humphreys supported a 2025 XRP price prediction estimating XRP will reach $3.81. According to Crypto News Z, XRP could reach an average price of $1.30 by the end of 2023. Another Ripple price forecast by AMB Crypto estimated the XRP price could reach between 47 cents and 71 cents by the end of 2023. Based on Analytics Insights XRP price forecast, the price could reach possible highs of $0.729927 or lows of $0.649935 by the end of 2023. Potential highs and lows of XRP price. Year 2023 minimum price 20 cents and maximum price 56 cents. Year 2024 minimum price 50 cents and maximum price $3.10. Year 2025 minimum price $1.50 and maximum price $4.50. Year 2030 minimum price $3 and maximum price $9. Now we will give the winner of the 200 XRP. The winner is on screen. Congratulations. And if you are not the winner, don't worry, we will have another giveaway on October 31st. Make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.